everybody. Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. This is a collaboration between myself, Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More, and Primpin' Ain't Easy TV. So during the July challenge, you guys know we've been dropping a video every single day, either in a live stream or a premiere. And we are challenging all smaller content creators to participate, accept the challenge, get involved. This is going to create a buzz. This is going to increase the energy between you and your supporters and allow the supporters to kind of guide the conversations. So I want to call out the following content creators with the hopes that you will accept the July challenge and come through with your increased game either in a live stream or premiere each and every day for the remainder of the month for the July challenge. So I am calling out Gigi's Gluten-Free Lab, Be Amazing Sylvia, Just Teresa, Living Your Best Life, One Sexy Southern Belle 1, Marquita 83, Just Vlogging Life, Simply Living with Tasha, Jessica Hicks, Boss Lady Denise, GA Girl, Be The Difference Clothing, Cool to the Foolers, Kamisha Reviews, Tyrone Morgan, The Shore Shannon Show, and Artfully Blind with Diana. And anyone else that would like to participate, you are more than welcome to do so. Just use the hashtag #JuLiveChallenge so that we all know that you are participating and we can support one another by popping up in your live streams or premieres. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More.
And I'm Primmy from Primpin' Ain't Easy TV.
And we are teaming up for the July challenge. What is the July challenge?
Yeah, what is it?
Well, the July challenge is where we will be going live each and every day for the entire month of July. Hence the name July.
Wait, Pandi, did you just say we're going to be going live each and every day for the entire month of July?
Yes.
Child. Okay, continue.
However, there is a little twist to our challenge.
Oh.
This month is going to be all about the subscribers.
Okay.
We want to get to know you better, so we want for you to pick out the topics that we'll be discussing.
Ooh.
And we also want you to join our panels to weigh in.
Talk that talk.
But that's not all. We will also be doing live crafting,
Hey now.
decorating, journaling,
All right.
beauty products,
Girl, you're winning
and
me over
TV
with
show
this.
reviews, and hosting another virtual spa day.
Yay.
Since both were a big hit last year.
Oh, yes, they were.
We are also going to think about implementing some health and fitness and wellness and maybe even a few recipes into the scheme of things.
And of course, we're going to be having some tech conversations.
So we look forward to you all joining us again for the July challenge each and every day this month.
And we will see you all in our next live stream. Bye, Chatters.